What's up YouTube, welcome back to a brand new video, and today in this video I'll be talking about how to get relief from your knee pain. So this usually happens after the age of 30, or even some may actually have this kind of problem after crossing the age of 20. Okay, but before getting started, let me tell you guys that a guy who lifts and a guy who doesn't lift, actually both of them can get this problem. All right, so a guy who lifts, actually when we do squat or bench, actually gets in a lot of pressure, but that pressure, knee can't actually hold that pressure. Okay, this is where the CC squat comes in. Okay, so if you do the CC squat for, let's say, 1 month, 3 weeks, you're going to feel a difference. If you're having knee pain while walking, while standing, after 1 month you're going to find a difference that you're actually not having a new knee pain anymore. But even if you have that, it will be lower than before. See a squat, you don't need any kind of equipment or even the gym for executing the movement. You can do it in your home, a park, and even in your gym. You can do it whenever you want it and in whatever place you want to do it. So guys, if you haven't subscribed already, please subscribe. It means a lot to me. So for performing this exercise, all you need to do is to have something where you can actually put your hand, use it as a support. As you can see in the video, you can use a power rack, or you can use any kind of stable object where you can put your hand and bend your knees to go in front. Now remember, while going down, your upper body will not be straight upwards. As you can see in the video, it will be a little bit in an angle like 40 or 45-degree angle while going down. Put your knee tendons and quads in a more stretched position, so this will cause more hypertrophy for the quads and more stronger knees. Now talking about the rep range, I will start from a low rep range, for example 10 reps, 3 sets. Now gradually I will increase that rep range from week to week, week by week. 10, next week we're going to do 11, next week we're going to do 12. Like this, we're going to reach 15. And after reaching 15, I will try to add resistance. Now, if you haven't watched the earlier footage, you can use a backpack in front of you for progressively overloading this movement. Even without progressively overloading, even with body weight, your legs will be sore and you can't even walk correctly.